Disclaimer: this is a demonstration of the use of a wooden block to lift your outside truck tire for the purpose of giving you better access to installed chains. This is not a tutorial for putting on chains, as there are many different types, each with their own set of instruction. This gets you a tighter fit on the first pass and lessens the time you need to be working on your chains, so you can get on with why you are out in the weather in the first place. We are using a 4x6 block of wood with a wedge cut, but many things will work. Just make sure it will support the weight of your vehicle. As always, safety is our main concern. Cone off a space big enough for you to do your work next to your tire. Inspect all the components you plan on using. Make sure the chains are in good condition and laid out with no twists. You want to orient the chains, so when you put them on, the hooks face out away from the tires. Make sure your parking brake is engaged and place the block under the inside tire. Disengage the brake and slowly drive onto the block. Reapply the parking brake. Place your wheel chocks on both sides of the tire on the opposite side of the truck. Install your chains per the manufacturer recommendations. If you are using rubber bands, make sure they have no cuts and are not brittle. Remove the wheel chocks and the emergency brake. Drive off slowly and repeat for the other side. As always, be safe out there.